Hi, this is Rajat Khatri, the happiness coach as well as a leader in one of the reputed organizations. And in this video series, I'm going to give you tips and tricks and hacks to improve your emotional well being. Let's accept this. We all are going through this emotional turmoil because over the last 1 year, we have been completely working from home. There's a lot of work, but still we are at home, and then we are just trying to create a balance in the personal life and professional life. And we feel that we are not getting enough time to work on ourselves or to share our feelings with others. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a tip or a hack that has uh, that has been proved by science that it has worked very well for the people who have implemented it. That tip and trick is to ask for to ask the emotional well-being of others every week or every day. uh, Dedicate some time out where you talk to your friends and ask them about how are they behaving, because once you will ask them, of course, since they are your friends or your colleagues, they will definitely share some feelings with you and they will feel better. And once they will feel better, definitely you will also feel better, because you're giving some kind of a support to someone. So do ask them about how they are, especially to those people who have seen some kind of tragedies or some kind of COVID cases at their home and they are feeling super stressed, because a casual hi and a casual chat with them will definitely ease or relax them, and in return, they will share their uh, they will share their experiences with you, and they will feel better, and you will see that impact, which will, and since you will be happier, you will certainly see that you will become more productive and more creative at work. So do implement this hack in your daily routine. Talk to one of your colleagues and just make it something off work. Let it be a very, very casual conversation on any of the topics, or just ask them about their mental well being. And you will feel much better after doing this. Please subscribe to my channel or follow me, because I'll be coming up with many more such tips and tricks which are already proven by science that they have worked very well, and they have eased or relaxed people from the stress that is being created because of working from home during this pandemic. I'll see you soon in more videos.